Barbara Corcoran claims that investing in real estate is the simplest way to get extremely wealthy. She became tremendously affluent as a result of not only a successful career in real estate sales, but also her own long-term property investments. With an estimated net worth of over $100 million, she gives her advice for the typical person trying to earn significant fortune through real estate. Let's take a look at why she thinks real estate is such a great investment and her surprise advice to those trying to get rich. Welcome to Cashflow Canvas, where we teach lessons about investment and money-saving techniques. If you want to make your financial future better, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. Barbara Corcoran is a successful American entrepreneur, investor, public speaker, consultant, and television personality. She is arguably best known for her role as one of the sharks on the television show Shark Tank, in which aspiring entrepreneurs pitch their business ideas to a panel of investors, including Corcoran, in the hopes of obtaining investment. Prior to her TV career, Corcoran formed the Corcoran Group, a real estate brokerage firm, in 1973. She began the company with a $1,000 loan and grew it into one of the largest and most profitable real estate firms in New York City. In 2001, she sold the Corcoran Group for $66 million. According to Corcoran, one of the best aspects of buying real estate, which can be a double-edged sword, is that your money is safely invested in something that cannot be readily or rapidly drained. Investing in real estate provides the benefit of firmly tying up your cash in a tangible asset, protecting them against impulsive withdrawals and market instability. This lack of instant liquidity encourages discipline and long-term investing, lowering the likelihood of succumbing to short-term market swings and supporting consistent growth over time. Because it is impossible to identify the actual value of a piece of property without selling it, owners are unlikely to notice short-term variations in market price, contributing to a long-term perspective. Property's illiquidity can be a problem since acquiring cash can be difficult, and market swings can affect the value of an investment. As long as you can pay your property's payments, the value of your investment can increase year after year, with less temptation to sell than stocks or other assets that can be sold with a few swipes of the fingertips. Almost everyone has met someone who once owned a home, sold it, and then regretted it when they realized how much it was worth after some time. In such cases, the typical response is, "Wow, I should have kept that house." Barbara Corcoran has been in the real estate industry for a long time, and she has witnessed significant price increases across multiple markets. She understands that when investing in real estate, you can bet that the value of the property will rise over time. Is it certain that a home's value would increase under specific conditions? Of course not. After all, there are no guarantees when it comes to investing. However, looking at housing values throughout the decades reveals that they almost usually climb over time. Property values tend to climb across the board, assuming you're not in a bad neighborhood. However, in order to achieve consistent and above-average appreciation, you must invest in expanding high-quality markets. While cash flow is another advantage of owning real estate, the majority of your money is often made through property appreciation. In many circumstances, rental income can cover everything from monthly mortgage payments and insurance premiums to property taxes, maintenance charges, and repairs, making the bargain even more appealing. If you play your cards correctly and manage the property efficiently, you may even find yourself with some extra cash in hand after all necessary expenses have been met. This surplus is known as cash flow, or the icing on the cake. It is the additional revenue that you may keep or reinvest in your property, increasing its value and potential for long-term financial advantage. Rental revenue not only helps you break even, but it also has the potential to supplement your income and increase the overall profitability of your investment. Corcoran suggests buying the most affordable multifamily home in a popular rental neighborhood and using a strategy known as house hacking. With this strategy, you can live in one property while renting out the others to cover a large amount, if not all, of your monthly expenses. By utilizing this strategy, you may substantially reduce what would otherwise be your highest monthly expense, while also entering the real estate market as an investor. Once you've established the property, earned some equity, upgraded the units to enhance their rental potential and desirability, and rented each unit out, you can then vacate the one you were occupying and rent it out as well. This stage enables you to repeat the procedure, effectively creating a cycle of investing, amassing properties, and providing high-quality housing. One significant advantage of house hacking is the possibility to enter the real estate market with a considerably lower down payment than is generally necessary for regular rental properties. This reduced initial investment not only lowers your financial risk, but also allows people with less funds to start investing in real estate. With escalating home costs, Corcoran recommends young folks to get into the market as soon as feasible. When it comes to investing, you want to start as soon as possible. The phrase goes, "Don't wait to buy real estate. Buy real estate and wait." By purchasing property as soon as possible, investors can capitalize on the numerous increasing variables. Consider this. As the years pass, your mortgage balance decreases, increasing your equity. Furthermore, properties tend to increase in value over time, providing an additional layer of financial protection. And don't forget about rising rents. They represent more money in your pocket. These elements all work together to produce compounded advantages. There are numerous reasons why you may delay entering the market. Perhaps the economy is unsteady, borrowing rates appear prohibitively expensive, or housing prices are skyrocketing. Worries about inflation and future uncertainties only add to the list. However, you can overcome these challenges by taking judicious risks. Allowing oneself to become obsessed on the potential drawbacks will only prevent you from taking action. Corcoran makes a persuasive case that real estate investing isn't as difficult as it might appear. In reality, it is within reach of almost everyone. The secret resides in a few basic principles. First and foremost, it is critical to select the appropriate place. Choosing properties in high-quality neighborhoods can dramatically reduce risks and increase possible rewards. Next, carefully examine the data to ensure that the investment is in line with your financial objectives and limits. This includes analyzing prospective rental income, expenses, and predicted cash flow. Take calculated chances, acknowledging that successful investing frequently necessitates a willingness to venture outside of your comfort zone. This does not imply rushing blindly into every opportunity, but rather making informed decisions that weigh potential benefits against potential drawbacks. Focus on providing a high-quality product to tenants. Offering a high-quality living experience, along with well-maintained premises and proactive management, may attract and retain renters, ensuring the profitability of your investment. Barbara Corcoran believes that, as interest rates fall, prices will skyrocket. Sellers are hesitant to sell their home or apartment due to the comparatively high interest rates, while buyers are hesitant to buy because they will receive less house for the same mortgage payment. A fall in interest rates might cause a significant market change, leading everyone to rush out and buy. As a result, she expects prices to rise by 20%. Barbara Corcoran's perspective on real estate investing demonstrates how simple it may be to accumulate significant wealth. She believes that investing in property is a wise decision that will pay off in the long run. And she's right. Property values tend to rise over time, especially in desirable areas. Renting out properties can also provide a stable source of income. Corcoran's recommendations, such as house hacking and getting into the game early, provides a clear path for anyone wishing to advance in real estate. So if you're considering leaping in, don't overthink it. Simply follow Barbara's guidance and begin building riches. As we conclude, I'd like to thank you for watching. I hope you found value in this video and learned something new, and I look forward to seeing you in our future videos. I would deeply value it if you could like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support will help us to create more valuable content, and we can work together to secure your financial future. What are the key takeaways from this video that you can share in the comment section?